The best anti-aging food is not spinach, almonds, or berries. This food is a total game changer. Want to slow aging, protect your skin, heart, brain, and even your DNA? Here's the deal. This superfood is bursting with antioxidants like polyphenols that tackle oxidative stress, the main cause of dull skin and weak cells. It fights chronic inflammation linked to heart problems, joint pain, and memory fog. Research shows it boosts circulation, enhances brain power, and may even lower dementia risk. Plus, daily use is tied to a longer, vibrant life in Mediterranean studies. The secret? Extra virgin olive oil. Smash that like button and spread the word.